Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a secure cloud storage solution with AWS, full guide step by. Begin by logging into your AWS management console. Navigate to the S3 service from the console. Click on Create Bucket in the S3 dashboard. Enter a unique name for your bucket. Select the appropriate region closest to your target audience. Uncheck Block all public access to avoid unintended exposure. Review the bucket settings and click Create Bucket. Next, locate your newly created bucket in the list. Click on the bucket to open its properties. Select the Permissions tab to manage access. Click on Bucket Policy to add a policy for secure access. Use the AWS Policy Generator to create your bucket policy. Ensure that your policy restricts access to authorized users only. Save your changes and return to the bucket properties. Now, navigate to the Management tab. Enable versioning to keep track of your file versions. Next, click on the Properties tab. Enable server-side encryption to protect your data at rest. Select either SSES3 or SSEKMS for encryption. After that, go to the Upload section to add files. You can drag and drop files or select them manually. Configure your upload settings as needed. Once files are uploaded, review your bucket contents. To set up access control, navigate to IAM in the console. Create a new user with programmatic access. Attach appropriate policies that allow S3 access. Make sure to follow the principle of least privilege. After setting up your IAM user, note the access key ID and secret access key. You can now use these credentials in your applications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.